You made it. But you look tired. You tired? Yeah. That was a rough stretch of road, wasn't it? Yeah, I get that. But listen, you go ahead and rest, because you earned it. But don't quit. And before you get back on that road, I need you to do me a favor. I need you to let go of all that dead weight. Let go of those mistakes. You don't have to live in them no more. Let go of those people who keep holding you back. Let go of everything that's holding you down. The only thing you need to bring with you on this stretch of road is faith. That's it. I'll see you at the next rest stop. Don't quit.
Let me show you a little hack. You got a hole in the wall? If you put caulk in there, it's going to smear all over the place. But if you get you some power grab, it's got a lot of body to it, a little thickness. Smear it on there. It's real thick. And take your putty knife, real slowly. Excess off. You don't smear the mortar around there. And just real slow. Bam. There we go. That's a little hack. And now, I can actually do it right now, put some paint on it, but put paint on it and it's good to go, man. Because this stuff is thick. Woohoo! And I noticed there's a bunch of pebbles, little rocks down in there. So what I'm thinking is there's something down in the drop plugging this up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shut the water off and I'm gonna blow some air through it. Shut the water off, took the flusher off, piece of plastic in there. Huh. That'll cause a problem. Let's see if this toilet flushes now. Big old piece of plastic. Okay. She flushes now. That's much better. That's a flush. That's an old flush too. It helps if you don't have a piece of plastic in it. Washer or dryer here. Plug it in. Woo! I don't work on washer and dryers, but let's open it up and see what's up. They broke down. These wheels seem to be alright. I could probably use a little lubing, but that was pretty dirty, and the middle was really loose. So I think the drum was probably not sitting right. So I'm gonna go get a shop vac and clean this really, really good. And go from there. Hey, look, I got $3. There's a couple quarters in there too. So we'll go get shop vac, man, clean this up. See if we can get it to work better. But the drum just came right out. I just had to take the belt loose to get it out. Vacuumed all this. It was really, really dirty. It's still a little dirty. I still got to clean a little bit more. But what I'm going to do now, this is a gas dryer. So a little difference in tension there. That's got to be up for the motor to turn. Yeah. Let's give it another shot. Plug it back in. Just better not catch my hand up in this thing. Yeah, see, I can't be at 3 places at one time. I can't push the button, hit that, and hit that at the same time. So what I'll do is I'll spray some dry lube. Got some here in my bag. This is it's a dry lube. That way moisture won't back up on it. But I'll lube up all my wheels and everything and put it back together, or at least put the drum in it. And then you put weight on top of that. So we can clean that up a little bit. Give her a little sucker suck. Yeah, a little something in there. Cord or something stuck down behind it. That grinding was that freaking piece of metal on it. Plus it had a bunch of hair around it. So they seem to be alright now. Seem to be. If I had my air compressor over here, I could blow all this out, but I'm not gonna worry about it. That's been in there for a long time. Long time. Wheels run good. Wheels in here really good. Okay. Got a little wheel right here. That's the blower motor. Just a little lube on there. Just to make sure we're running smoothly. Looks good. That's the motor. Put a little lube back here. Like I said, this is a dry lube. This is not going to hurt anything. So we'll put it back together and see what happens. Without the bottom, that's just a door that goes on there. Let's give it a shot. Push in door switch. Sounds great to me. I do know it was missing a couple of screws. So that could have been the problem. You know, it's missing a couple of screws. Let's make sure that bad boy lights up. Yep, it's lit up. Smells like gasoline. So, goes right off. Ooh, that gets hot. Anyways, yeah, let's get the panel back on it and pop the top back on. It's just off right there. Yeah. So I did notice this, that the dryer vent was loose. That's carbon dioxide, man, that's pumping out, dude. This is a gas dryer. So I need to come over here, pull all three of these out, clean the dryer vent, because it goes up on the roof. Because this is a gas dryer, so, and then, yeah, I need to clean these other two out real good. So I think we might make a game plan of that tomorrow. This here, I got to pop a panel off, see what's going on with that, because it's that's a washer. It's making all kinds of racket. So let's go there.